APA in-text citation for a direct quote from page 44 of a 2023 book by Cruz is, would this be letter A, B, C, or D? Okay, usapang research tayo, di ba? Usapang research, paano kaya ito isa-cite? Aha. What do you think is the right choice for this one right here? Letter A, B, C, or D? Yes, may research po, no? Sa ating let, sabi ng isa, may research pa rin sa let. Diyos ko po. Okay, what do you think is the right choice for this one right here? I see a lot of letter B's. Okay, so letter B po ang ating tumpak na choice. Of course, when you are talking about your APA, this is your American Psychological Association. And usually, ito yung method of citation na ating ginagamit, no, sa ating researches, especially sa education, no, APA format, di ba? So, kapag ka in-text citation po yan, no, meron kang last name, comma, the year of publication, comma, and the page where you got the text, no? Kung saan galing yung text mo. Okay? So, letter B ang ating pong tumpak na choice.